Wait, you can't hit water?
How are people passing me?
Yeah, I thought I could go
You
through
can't
the
hit
water.
anything. You can't hit anything. Yeah.
Dude.
Just keep trying, guys. Keep going. Keep respawning and trying.
Wait, where's the
again.
chicken?
Oh, you start from the beginning?
Where's the chicken?
Yep.
Oh,
Yep. Start all the way.
I
at the
can't see the
beginning
chicken.
again.
Have I landed?
You
Where's-
have Mumbo. Hit the chicken, dude. Punch
Where
the
is
chicken.
the chicken?
Punch the chicken. No, punch the person. Punch the person. The fan.
Oh!
Punch the fan.
Well, that
Punch
would have
the
been
fan.
good to know. You said punch the chicken. I was looking at the chickens. I was
Those are
looking.
Mumbo,
Chicken,
dude.
what do I punch?
Mumbo, was that your first Terror Sweep Force ever,
Oh,
dude?
crap.
Yeah, and I would have
Crap,
come.
crap, crap.
I would have come to a decent time if someone had told me
Why is there so much
how
water?
it works.
You smashed it though, dude. That was amazing. Good
What
job.
was all that talk of chickens?